This is the array output uh, worksheet, practice worksheet. And again, when you have a test, you're going to have a lot of questions that are like this. So you're used to this. You're given a little snippet of code, and you got to say what label three's text in this case is going to be. So we have an array called scores of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 integers. All right, and that means they're indexed from 0 to 7. So this is index 0, this is index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, index 6, index 7, right? So scores, dim a as integer, is going to equal whatever scores index 4 is. So we just count it, starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the fourth index is 13. So A becomes 13, and label 3's text becomes whatever A is, which was 13. So the answer to that is 13. 13. All right, the next one. Same thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in this array called scores. Index 0 to 7. That's the 7th index, right? We want scores index 7. 3 is the 7th index. A becomes 3. Label 3's text becomes whatever A is, which is 3. The next one. We have the same numbers here. So there's 8 numbers, index 0 to 7. So dim A as integer equals scores index 8. Well, there is no index 8. So that's going to be an error. It's going to be a runtime error. You'll be running the program, and where that line gets executed, you're going to get some kind of error, and the program's going to stop. All right, so now we have an array of strings called names. The strings are Panda, Bo, Leela, Punch, and Cricket. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the indexes. And we want names index 0 to equal label 3's text. Well, that's Panda. So label 3's text is going to take on the string Panda. All right, same thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, there's 5 strings, index 0 to 4. Right, and names index 5 doesn't exist. So that's an error. Only indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 exist in this case. Next one. 0, 1, 2. We want names index 2. 0, 1, 2 is Leela. So names index 2 is going to be Leela, and label 3's text is going to take on that. Leela. Number 7, same situation. But now we have a loop, all right, a for loop. We have x as an integer. For x is going to start at 0 and go to 4, right? If you don't see the word step, that means it's going to default to be stepping by an increase of 1 each time. So x is going to be 0 to start. Label 3's text is going to be names index 0 here. Well, that's Panda, but we're going to loop, right? X is going to become 1. So we're going to change label 3's text to names index 1, which is Bo. It's going to loop again to 2, which is Lita. Then 3, Punch, and then 4, Cricket. So when we jump out of here, this loop, the last string that was assigned to label 3's text was Cricket. So the answer to that one is Cricket. Number 8, same situation. I have another loop, but it's stepping by 3. So it's going to start at 0. And so names index 0 is going to be Panda to start. Label 3's text is going to be that. And then we're going to step by 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. That's Punch, right? So we're going to get names in index 3 here. And then x is going to become 3 plus 3, 6. So we stop because 6 is greater than 4. So Punch was the last Punch. Number 9, same story here. We're going to loop. X is going to be 1. That's Leela. And then X is going to be 2. 0, 1, 2 is Bo. And then we're going to stop the loop because we're done. And the last string of label3s.text was Bo. Number 10, same situation. But now we're going to step by 2, so it's going to start at 0. So names index 0 is going to be Panda, but then X is going to become 2. We're still in the loop. X is names index 2, 0, 1, 2. It's Leela. And then it's going to step by 2 again, which is 2 plus 2 is 4. And then we're going to stop after this one. So label3s.text is name index, and that would be 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be Oreo. That's number 10. Number 11. Label 3, same situation. For X is going to start at 0. Label3s.text is going to be names index 0, which is Buster in this case. Then we're going to step by 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. Well, that's greater than 4. So we're done the loop. So it's going to be Buster is the answer to this one. Number 12, same situation. But you see that no matter what we do, right, with this loop, label3s.text is going to be changed to Kiki Beans. Right? No matter how we step through this, it's going to change. So that was kind of a trick. Kiki Beans. Oh, I keep hitting that caps button.